Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this filter video transition on CapCut PC. Select your select the video that you want, and just simply copy and paste that and add in any filters you want on the second video. Maybe this one, maybe this one, maybe this one. I'm just going to select this one so you can see the difference. Go to mask and select split, and you're going to split it this way. Oops. And you're going to actually you're going to want to split it this way, sorry. Add a keyframe at the beginning, and in the middle you're going to move the line to the right. If it's too fast, you can move it further. If it's too slow, you can move it closer to each other. I'm just going to put it in the middle, and that is basically it, really. You can add a line if you wanted to. It's a little bit tedious though. Wait, hold on. So I'm going to freeze frame this and select the film strip one and slide it this way and make the line super thin, but not too thin where you can't move it, and then add a keyframe here. And then go to this keyframe and then go back to the mask, and you're going to want to move it to the right. So there's a line there. And that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!